hours later.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently 8 o'clock at night. It is Tuesday, December 4th, and I'm starting my intro super late. I hope you guys enjoyed like the clips that I got from Walmart and while I was traveling. Today has been kind of like a blur. I had class and then I went to Walmart. I had a sorority meeting and now I'm back home. So I didn't get to show you guys last night the items that I got from Hush, as well as some gifts that I got from my little, as well as some other girls in our sorority. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys right now. They're all in this big bag right here, and I've already went through them, so I'm just going to like go through the stuff randomly because I just don't feel like organizing it right now. I actually don't have the packaging because I used it last night, so it's in my bathroom, but it's this 24 karat like rose gold oil serum. It actually is really nice because my skin is kind of oily now, but like overnight it kept it moisturized and I didn't wake up with dry skin, so really like that. And I got this from my little. These are just some fuzzy socks, and let's see what else. I got this card from one of our new sisters named Darlene. She just wrote everyone like a really cute holiday card. Super sweet. Next thing, this is from my little Heather. She got me a bag of assorted candy. Yum, yum, yum. Also got a card. This is from my friend Haley Phillips, and she's super, super sweet. Got me this really pretty Christmas card. I also got this makeup bag from Haley Rose. I actually really like this makeup bag. It's really cute. I'm probably going to take it home when I travel. It says Tender Love plus Carrie, and it just has little stars on it. It's actually a really nice bag. My other little Katrina got me this eyeliner set. It's really cool because it comes with gel eyeliner, liquid, a felt tip, and a retractable one. So I think that's really, really cool. Let's see what else. My little Heather got me this chameleon, and it's super, super cute. I've actually been looking for the like chameleon like plushy Beanie Baby ones, but I cannot find the chameleon plush things like anywhere. And so she actually got this from her brother, so like this was like passed down in her family, and her mother decided to give it to me, which is super sweet. Thank you, Heather's mom. If you all know, like that's the name of my channel. Like I love chameleons, so yes, I'm really excited to have a little chameleon, little Beanie Baby. So excited. My friend Haley got me this mint cocoa cup thing, and it comes with hot cocoa and marshmallows. Super cute. I'm probably gonna definitely bring this with me during finals when I'm like drinking coffee in the library. My little Katrina got me this moonlit spruce candle, and it's actually a candle that has like a reusable jar, and the jar has this cute little deer on it. Super cute, and the candle smells really nice. I normally don't like scents like this, but I actually really like this scent. Of course, I got K-Beauty stuff. Some of this stuff was given to me by my little, and some of the stuff I did order from Hush. So I'm gonna try to organize this real quick. Okay, so these were given to me by Haley Rose. I am like giving her my new position, or I'm giving her a new position, or like passing down my position to her. I was the previous first vice president, so now she's one, and so it's a tradition in our sorority to like give the position, like the person who's taking your position gifts, and they give you gifts. So she got me some sheet masks because I love sheet masks, and yeah, these are like the same ones as the serum, but in the sheet mask form, and they're really thick, so I'm really excited about these. My little Heather gave me some sheet masks as well. I got this one from Miss Spa. This is an exfoliate one. This one is a 24 karat gold one, and then this one is from Maskology, and this one is a two-step mask kit. The step one is a tightening activator, and the second one is a web-like mask, which is really cool. And my little also got me this coffee and coconut oil sheet mask. And from Hush, this was an actual order. I ordered some like a sheet mask set, and I got 5 of these type of sheet masks, but I only have 4 because I actually used one last night. This one is from the brand Pure Mind, and this one is the Daily Green Tea Essence one. This one is the Brightening Oatmeal one. This one is Pure Honey, and then this one is Cucumber. And then in the little kit, it also comes with a Eliza Becca mask. This is the Hydrogel Water Lock Melting Mask. I really like Eliza Vecca's mask. They're like very moisturizing. And then I got a Cosrx one. If you guys watched my in-flight Korean like 3-step skincare routine that I did over the summer when I was flying back from Korea, I used this moisture up kit. They're my favorite. I haven't tried the 1-step like acne or like 1-step pimple kit. I prefer moisture because I was on the plane, and like I said, these are just perfect for traveling because you don't have to worry about carrying separate items with you for your cleansing and skincare routine. Haley Rose, she also got me this eyeshadow palette from Absolute. It's very, very nice. And then my friend Haley Phillips, she got me some K-Beauty as well, and she got me this Sue Revitalizing Rose Petal Sleeping Mask, and then she got me a hydrogel lip patch. And I have recently been wanting to try like lip products and like more lip care things, so I'm really excited about this. And if you guys don't know, Sue is one of my favorite Korean American skincare brands, so super excited about that. So those are all the things that I got. Oops, I forgot one thing. My little got me a little plush throw, and it has like little sparkles on it. This is for my little Heather. Super excited about that, so thank you. Okay, I did order some stuff from Walmart, so I'm just gonna quickly show you what I ordered. The first thing I ordered is a double pack of the Instax Mini Polaroid pictures. I do have a Polaroid camera now, so like I just needed some more film for that, so I ordered it online. Okay. And this box is a SD card. This is from SanDisk. It's a 32 gigabyte. And the last thing I ordered is a tablet. And I'm very excited because I used to own a tablet, but I broke mine, and then I got a second one, and then that one broke on its own. So I finally have another tablet now. So this is the box, what it comes in. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's a very, very small tablet. It's so tiny, but it has a cute little keyboard. Wow, this is probably the tiniest tablet I've seen, like ever. But yeah, she's cute, and I think she pretty much works exactly like a regular computer. I don't think she has a lot of storage, but it is a nice tablet. And the last thing I'm going to show you is this Deadpool sweater. Jordan actually got the same sweater, and she wore it to our sisterhood thing yesterday, but I just got the same one because I'm probably going to be wearing it over my friend's little holiday crafting party this Saturday. So yes, that is it. I'm probably going to go to Mossman to study, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so we're in the study room. And they're watching my Vlogmas.
How do you push the volume up?
Oh my gosh. Alicia, I hate you.
I love doing this because it annoys you so much.
This is embarrassing.
My voice is...
Hi.
Hi, bye.
Christmas, I gave you my